Designer build firms doing over £1 million a year in revenue, we guarantee to bring you qualified and exclusive in-person sales appointments with homeowners that are in your local area, or you don't pay us a thing. Now, if you're like most of the designer build firms that I speak with on a regular basis, then you know that once you're actually able to get in front of the customer and speak to them in person, then you'll have no problem actually getting the deal over the line. But the issue you're facing in your business is you're just not getting enough high quality, qualified customers coming through the door on a month-to-month basis. Now look, you're either relying on word of mouth and referrals, which are unpredictable and have likely become even less reliable for you because of the current market conditions and the rise in building costs. Or you're signed up to these platforms like Houzz, like Bark, like Checkatrade, like My Builder, where you pay for poor quality leads that have literally been given to 5 other providers and have already been hammered to death by calls and free quotes by literally everyone else. And this makes it impossible for you to stand out unless you're actually willing to lower your prices down to ridiculous amounts just to win jobs. Now, if that sounds familiar, then here's what we can do for you to help you change that. Here at Archigrow, we can generate you in-person sales appointments with prospects that are qualified, know what they want, and are more than willing to pay you what you're worth. And not only that, we'll give you as many appointments as you need to hit your revenue goals for this year. And the best part is, if we don't get you results, we don't get paid. Now, you may be wondering how we're able to make such a bold claim like this. Well, this is because here at Archigrow, we're a results-driven business, which means that we can only grow if our clients grow. And this way our business is in perfect alignment with yours to get you the best results possible. We're not like those other companies that you're probably more familiar with that charge you a big fat fee up front with no guarantee that you'll even sign new clients. Now, if you want to know more about how this works, I'm going to show you our very own proprietary client acquisition system that we've developed for our design and build companies to generate a crazy number of appointments and hundreds of thousands in new sales over the past few months. But before I dive into that, let me show you why you're struggling with your current approach to find those higher quality, higher end clients. So you've probably tried all different kinds of things, whether this is speaking to other tradespeople, asking them to refer you, whether this is networking events, putting flyers through people's doors, or maybe you're signed up to these online platforms where you pay for leads, but the leads are poor quality and they're not even exclusive to you. Or you might have even given Facebook ads or Google ads a go, but the lead quality just wasn't there. And even if it was there, you wasn't able to hit the level of volume that you were after. Now, despite all your hard work trying all these different methods, you still lack a proven system where you can predictably book appointments for you and your team each month. Now, you might even go from being super busy in the summer and not even being able to take on more work to having a completely empty pipeline for the rest of the year because you didn't have that consistent inflow of new leads. Now, with these methods, you have no predictability or even a competitive advantage in any of these approaches that you're taking. You don't have a predictable system where you know you can put X amount of money into your business and generate higher quality clients on the other end. Now, let's be honest, if you could predictably grow your business based purely off of referrals, then that would be the dream. These are the kind of clients that don't hassle you over price. They already have lots of trust in you because they've been referred by a friend, and they're usually the easiest to close. However, as I just mentioned, this is not a predictable way to grow your business. Let me ask you this, do you really think you can predict the amount of referrals you're going to get in your business over the next month? Probably not. Now, you're probably thinking, what's the alternative? So here's how we actually position you as the go-to firm in your serving area and bring you those high quality clients that are more than willing to pay you what you're worth, so that when we bring you a new lead through, these are clients that are expecting a call from you and have already built up that initial level of trust. So the first step in our process is to help you come up with an offer that's going to set you so far apart from your competition. So whilst everyone else is offering free quotes and free valuations, we're going to come up with an offer that provides so much more value to the marketplace that it positions you as the ideal go-to firm to work with. And don't worry, I know what you're thinking. We're not here offering 99% off or anything crazy like that. Think of it more as an offer that provides so much more value to your marketplace and actually helps out your customer, rather than just trying to sell them up front. Now, the next step in our process is to bring you high quality exclusive leads that are looking to take on a project in the near future. Now, because of the marketing strategy that we use for you, all of the leads will be exclusive. And this is because the leads are seeing your ad and they want to sign up to your offer. So now that we put your amazing offer out there and we start to see some high quality leads rolling in, here's where the real magic happens. So in order to sign up for the offer, we put the leads for our very own pre-qualifying system where we can find out all the juicy details about their project. And this is where we'll ask all the important questions like, where are you located? What kind of budget are you working with? How soon are you looking to get started, etc, etc. So not only will this filter out the unqualified and unserious leads, for the ones that are qualified, we put them through a very specific process where we're building that trust with them and we're building that familiarity with your business before you've even had the chance to contact them. So that 1, the leads are expecting a call from you, and 2, they already understand your processes and the benefits of working with you. And we found that this massively increases your chances of actually closing the deal. So as you can see, this is going to save you tons of time and it's going to completely take the stress out of dealing with all those tire kickers, unqualified leads that you know you shouldn't even be dealing with in the first place. Now, essentially, this system is going to help you close more deals because we've designed it in a very particular way that's going to put you in the best position to actually go out there and basically guarantee that you start winning new deals. So if you like what you hear and you're ready to grow your business, just click on the link below where you can book in your free demo call where I'll be personally walking you through the whole system and give you a roadmap on how you can actually scale your business. And just to be transparent, I don't want to hop on the call with you and be super salesy and try and hard close you on our system, because we know that if you are the right fit for what we do, then there's no reason why you can't come in and try our system out for a month with zero downside for you. Okay, so if that sounds good, all you need to do is go down to our scheduler down below and go ahead and book in your free 30-minute demo call on the time that suits you. Speak soon.